Hey guys, this is James with the Impossible channel, and we are watching right now a footage from an anonymous source that we've just received on our email. Actually, this is some real incredible footage, guys. You know what? I cannot even describe this. So, well, the email we got was this person telling us that this footage, to pay attention to this footage, and that the earth is not as it seems. This is the only this is the only message that the person left, the anonymous source left for us and the video. Well, this is indeed the ISS. I can tell you this is an official ISS recording, of course. What's happening to the sun? I don't know. Why it's coming and going? That's a good question. And what object is that? It's not a lens flare. I thought many times it was a lens flare. It's not a lens flare, because it usually lens flares will happen when you have the sun. Um, well, you have the sun, in front of the camera or right next to the camera, but it's going to be possible to see at least a few sun flares, around it, not just one spot. This is one spot we have. The sun is hitting this spot. It seems to be a UFO very far away from the ISS. And because many people have been seeing this kind of things, these kind of sightings, lots of UFOs all over the world, so we believe this is not a fake recording. This is actually probably some real hard recording, because to get some footage like this, you have to you have to go through hours of recording the ISS, so you get something like this, weird like this. So congratulations to our source, and clearly you don't see we're not seeing Earth. It's dark, of course, but the sun is obviously hitting this object our source is pointing at, and the ISS is obviously in a very weird place on Earth, because as you can see, the sun isn't going up or isn't going down, and we have this bright object, seems to be a UFO, like guarding the ISS's entrance from this place. Well, that's my point of view, okay? By the very simple message that we received on this email telling us to pay attention and that Earth was not as it seems. And well, having uploaded some very interesting videos on Flat Earth, we know that people have been watching it, And of course, there's gonna be some people out there with weird footage, waiting for it to, for them to have a good chance to show it to the world. So I believe that this anonymous source felt that we were trusted, we were trustworthy, and sent it to us. This is very interesting. If you do find this recording on the ISS database, please tell us when, and give us a link, okay? It would be actually just interesting to see it happening, and just to verify that it's really, it's really true, it's really real, Information on this footage, we just know that the sun, the movement the sun is doing, this coming and going, and this object, when the sun hits the ISS, this object lights up. Well, now what's gonna happen? The ISS is gonna shut down the recording. Our source waits for. Well, anyway, so the ISS cuts the feed, and that's it. It is an eerie recording. Okay, it is a very eerie recording, I have to admit it. Okay, where was the ISS? Where is this place? And why did they cut the feed, you know? They usually don't cut the feed if it's not necessary, you know? And when the feed comes back all dark, you know? So we didn't see this. They didn't let us see the sunset. That's very clear, you know. They don't let us see the sunset. There's something wrong with the sunset. So if you check our channel, you're gonna see loads of double sunsets happening all over, and something's pretty wrong in space, that's for sure, right?